forgot I ain't had no hair. I ain't gotta go through that. I ain't gotta go through that. Most of the time, if you try on something color and it's cute, oh, them neutral colors, baby, they gonna give the same, if not more, of what it's supposed to give.
You can't get enough and you don't know why.
It wasn't her fault. They all understand that. We just tell them that. So they said the bus should be there in 10 minutes. I'm like, 10 minutes? I am not sitting behind. I'm waiting 10 minutes. Fooling. I feel like...
Now, y'all, this is my neighbor's kid. You know, they don't care if I take them to school. Okay, so... welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is one of the perks of being an entrepreneur. My babies, their bus never came. And so, of course, I'm editing videos. This is my off day. I'm editing videos in bed and set up my little station and everything because I don't work out on Thursdays. You know, it's a free day. So I decided to edit some videos and go to the mall and take some stuff back and all of that, whatever. And sure and behold, I get a notification somebody's on the porch. I thought it was my friend. Amazon. Don't judge me. I thought it was my friend. No, it's my big-headed little boy. Mom, the bus didn't come. I'm like, oh my God. Every time. Never goes wrong. Well, sometime it does. Okay, but today, when I have everything planned out, it's supposed to go smooth. Lo and behold, throw a wrench in my plans. I'm supposed to do all that, and my son has an appointment on has an appointment today at 3 o'clock. I scheduled it for when he gets out of school because I didn't want to miss any school, and I sure hope this thing is not recording slow because I'm gonna be too mad. But yeah, a couple of weeks ago he cracked his tooth on rollerblading where he had to get stitches and all of that. I didn't record any of that because I was not in that zone. I was irritated because they refused to wear that daggone safety gear and stuff. But yeah, I had to take him to the dentist, and they found out that he chipped one of the tooth way in the back, and the one on the bottom, it chipped so far it was down to the root, so that one can't be saved. So it has to be extracted. But he has a consultation today to move forward with getting that extracted because of his age and everything. But anywho, yeah, so I was gonna go to Walmart after or before I went to the mall. But since I'm down here dropping them off at school, I'm gonna go ahead and get these apples and whatever else. I think it was just apples. And while we was in here, they said toaster strudels, and I know I gotta get something else. It was something else. I remember it by the time I get to Walmart. But yeah, story of my life. Your kiddos will always make the day for you. They will always plan your day, okay? So yeah. What you're witnessing is last minute jump ups. I didn't even have time to do anything. Luckily, okay, I brushed my teeth and everything before I made that lunch. I was supposed to get all cute today, go to the mall and all of that, and bam, look at me looking like Raggedy Ann with the hair rag on, some flip-flops, and well, I tried to grab something that at least matched. This is an outfit that was hanging up that I didn't have to iron since I know I was coming out here in these streets. But yeah, drop the kiddos off. Now I'm at Walmart, coming to get these apples. What was it? Apples, toaster strudels now, and something else. I'll remember by the time I get out. Baby, they got me out here. Feet ashy. Luckily, I keep stuff in my car. But the toe's still pretty though. Don't play with me. But yeah, they got me out here. Because I grabbed the first thing I saw so I could hurry up and get them to school. And it just happened to be my Crocs that was at the door. Because I wasn't even thinking about I wasn't even thinking about Walmart at the time. All I was thinking about is, okay, boom, let me put this stuff down. Let me take them to school so I can get back and continue my day, because I don't want to get off track, because when I get off track, it all rolls downhill. If you know, you know. But yeah. So it's a little nippy out here, but shit, I'm just to run in the store and get these apples, hash browns, that's what I was forgetting, and these toasted strudels so I can get back home, because I'm getting dressed today. I'm getting dressed today. Oh my gosh. But yeah, let me get in here. Hopefully I don't find nothing else to buy. Oh, I'm so glad. This case right here, this is the big one right here. Because if I had not had this case on and I had my phone out doing editing or doing a TikTok or something, me just wanting to get them to school, I would grab my phone, ran out here, and this case would have been laying on the bed or on the dresser. Let's see. Yeah, this case right here that has my card and stuff in there, because one time before, actually it was a couple of videos back, I came to Walmart and I didn't have my case because I was editing and doing, you know, videos, and I forgot to put the case back on, but I made it work. I used the Walmart app. Although I have that now, hey, this case is the business. But I'm fixing to go in here right now. Why is it blurry? Why? I forgot to change the settings. But anyway, let me get in here so I can get out. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Your girl pulled this thing off mid-walking from the damn car. I forgot I ain't had no hair. I ain't got to go through that. I ain't got to go through that. Not right now, anyway. I pulled that thing off. Okay? But, I get in there. I got distracted, like I always do. Get out of here right quick because, baby, I ain't got time. Okay, got distracted. Went to go look for some stuff that said sale. Okay? Walked out for my buggy. I come look back over. Lady pushing it to see if it rolled good. I politely said, excuse me, that's mine. She said, oh, I'm just looking at it saying, okay, I don't know who buggy this is, but I'm gonna take no the fuck you not. Not mine's. Not mine's. Oh my gosh. I need some more daggone space. About to run out of room. Okay, I am back. Oh my god, that is about to work my nerve. And I didn't get much stuff or whatever. I got some more of these noodles. My kids love these noodles. It's the sweet chili flavor. And I don't know why I got the container. I guess because it was easy to grab or whatever, because we already got one that I keep some in, whatever. But I got 6 of those. I got, I think 4 come in here. I'm not sure. Yeah, 4 come in here, and it's the Olipop. I saw somebody drinking this, and I said, oh, I want to try it because yeah, I don't drink sodas. And number 1 ingredient was water, and it was in like the fruits, on the fruit over there where the produce was, and I wanted to try it. And plus, strawberry vanilla, they can't go wrong with that. This can't be nasty. Not with that flavor. No, ain't no way. I'm not gonna believe it, even if it is. But I got some more popcorn for movie night, and just because they eat popcorn for snacks too or whatever, and my baby wanted some mini bags. I had the regular bag, but he wanted mini bags, so I got the mini bags. And I got a bag of apples, what I went in there for, and I keep those in this little apple basket. Right now nail, so baby. Yeah, the top just comes out of there, and I just pour the apples in there and sit them over on the oh shit, I dropped one. On the little side table. I think they call it a baker's table. It has some extra stools like that store under it or whatever, but I just use it for a little table. And I put that over there. So cute. Cause bae, she take apples to work every day. And bananas. And I got some of these. They love these. These little hash brown patties. Got 2 things of those. And I got, forgot to take it out of the freezer. 2 boxes of toaster strudels, a cream cheese, and strawberry, and 1 of the cinnamon rolls. And I got them some more little ice cream. The boys like these. And last but not least, baby, because y'all already know the universe is gonna take you where you need to go. Okay, I'm hoping so. I'm hoping that is the deal with this right here, because my last items is some dresses that I found in there. Baby, $10. You can't beat this. Let me put this down a little bit. $10 for these little dresses, and I'm hoping they fit like I want them to fit. You know what I mean? But they be selling dresses like this on Amazon and TikTok and everything for $20-something. Amazon, shit, they get ridiculous. They be selling simple stuff like this for like $25, $30. I'm like, wow. And these were $10 each. Ain't nothing but a basic, okay, like fitted, you know, bodycon dress. But the thing I love about it most is the material. It's not that curtain material that you get everywhere now, that tablecloth material that you get everywhere now. It's real material, okay? Real material. Real material. You can't beat that. Real material. But I got it. Y'all know if I like something, I'm gonna get it in all colors. You heard me, baby? For $10. I got the black, I got the cream, and I got the mint. I guess I can call this the mint color. Mint. And I'm gonna let y'all see how they look on. I don't know if I want to do that after I get ready to go. All right, now I should get ready to go before I run out of time fooling up with y'all trying on clothes. And oh my gosh, and the whopping amount spent was $58.96. Yeah, $58.96. I stopped by Dollar General to get some of the little fresh bowl things to hang across your toilet with the little metal thing on there, because Walmart only had the plastic. I don't fool up with them plastic ones because they don't stay on your toilet. Them things fall off in your. Why don't y'all listen to y'all customers, okay? Fresh bowl fresh, whatever y'all name is, and stop switching it to this plastic one. We like the metal ones, okay? Because that holds onto the toilet bowl. Okay? But they didn't have none. She said they will get some in tomorrow, but they don't have to have them out until Sunday. That's what Dollar General said. So I told her I'll be back on Monday because, baby, we ain't doing that. You need to take me around on a goose chase, okay? So I'm going to be back on Monday to get some because I like those, and it actually, you can smell them when you walk in the bathroom. But anywho, whatever. So I'm going to put this stuff up, and then I'm going to go and, which hand is that? The right hand. Might be spending some money. I hope it's getting some money, but this right hand is itching, baby. Help me out. Which one is it? But I'm about to put this stuff up and then go upstairs and get ready. By that time, it'll be time for me to go and pick up Son to go to his dentist. Well, his appointment with the oral surgeon. Oh my goodness! If y'all know what it took for me to get here right now, because I ran out of room. Y'all heard me say I ran out of space on this daggone card. And then my computer is full. Look at here. That was almost an hour ago, okay? I had to jump back into the swinger thing because, baby, this content, I'm trying to stay on track, but, baby, the tests that are thrown at me. Okay? But anywho, see you in a few. Here go this. I promise y'all, when I well, if you do editing, you already know. But when you press it, it's a whole different size, your head cut off and everything. But this is how it fit. I could have definitely did a small, which I'm probably going to go and exchange it for a small so it can be on me. But for $10, you can't beat this. You can't, and it's that real material. You can't see the whole thing because it's daggone camera, but y'all get the gist. This is how it look. And it got the little split right there. It got a little split right there. And I tried on the mint one because... Look at my face when I'm talking to you. I tried on the mint one because most of the time if you try on something color and it's cute, oh, them neutral colors, baby, they gonna give the same, if not more, of what it's supposed to give. So, yeah, I'm gonna get a small. So there, I would, depending on how you like your clothes to fit and what the clothing is, like, I'd say for me, they're not true to size. You would want to size down if you want this snug bug look. I don't know if it's gonna shrink when I wash it, but hey, it'll be too late then. It's still do a little scratchy scratch. But yeah, like I say, the universe can always take you where you need to go. Because if them boys hadn't missed that bus today, well, I ain't gonna say missed the bus because they didn't miss the bus didn't come, okay? Bus didn't come. So if that hadn't happened, I wouldn't have took them boys to school and got this dress, okay? Whatever. It helps me sleep at night, okay? So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my clothes on because I had sleeping clothes under that. Yeah, I did, because I was jumping up going to do my mom thing, okay? But I'm getting ready to put my clothes back on and get ready so I can get out in these streets. And hopefully I can make it to the mall afterwards, after I take him. Because I wanted to go do a little something. Like, I'll tell y'all later, but, yeah. Okay, this is, what is this, Sunday? Yeah, Sunday. Bay is taking the Smith machine apart because I got a buyer. They're coming to pick it up in the morning. So this will be gone and I'll have more space. Because I don't know why I wanted that Smith machine so bad. That's when I really got serious about working out again. It just looks so much more spacious in here now. When you realize that you don't need all of that other bulky stuff to get where you need to be, then you make it work. And look at my extra lighting or whatnot. But anywho, so this is my first time in, the new spot. Well, not new, but with the Smith machine going, I'm trying to get everything set up with the angles of my camera for recording or whatnot. But thank you for watching this video. Remember to be you and live. That's the message. Okay, see you on the next one.